I'm not an astronaut.
If you don't go, you die. With the rest of us.
I've never done anything. I've never done a spacewalk. I can't even moonwalk. Call it fist bump, by the way. Fist my bump. No, it's fist bump. It's not the same.
Time change, we're different, but my mind still says redundant.